Hello everybody, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Students, I'm your science teacher Himrita Chandolia. Today we are going to complete chapter number 15 of class 7 science, that is light. Students, today we are going to solve the question answers of this chapter. So let's begin today's video with question number 1. And question 1 is fill in the blanks. Okay, read all the fill in the blanks carefully. First one, an image that cannot be obtained on screen is called dash. And we know we called it virtual image. So fill here virtual image. Okay, class 7th? Fine. Next one, image formed by a convex dash is always virtual and smaller in size. देखो virtual भी है और smaller in size है. So the answer is mirror. It is convex mirror. Fine, class 7th. Okay. An image formed by a dash mirror is always of the same size as that of object. Here mirror is given, so you have to fill either it is a which type of mirror. So here we can fill it is a plain mirror. Clear, class 7? Okay, move to the next fill in the blank. An image which can be obtained on a screen is called, yes, जो हमें screen पे मिल जाती है वो image क्या होती है बच्चा? Real image. So fill here real. Okay. An image formed by a concave dash cannot be obtained on screen. Yes, it is that image which is formed by concave lens. Clear, class 7th? Okay. Move to the next question, class, and next question is mark T if the statement is true and F if the statement is false. Okay, so we have to write true and false. First, we can obtain an enlarged and erect image by a convex mirror? Not exactly. So we have to write down here false, or you have to mark the false. Clear? Next, a concave lens always form a virtual image? Yes. So write down here true. और टी पे टिक कर दो. ठीक है? We can obtain a real, enlarged and inverted image by a concave mirror. Yes, it is again true. So write down true or mark the T. Clear? Move to the next one. A real image cannot be obtained on a screen. It is obtained on the screen. So this statement is false. So write down false or tick on F. Okay. A concave mirror always form a real image. Always form a real image? No. Again, this is false statement. So you can also tick on F. Clear, everybody? Move to the next question, class, and next question is match the items given in column first with one or more items of column 2. क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? ये कॉलम 1 है, ये कॉलम 2 है, आपको इनको मैच करना है. एंड अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग माई सेल्फ, क्लास 7th. वेन एवर यू आर राइटिंग इन योर नोटबुक, प्लीज डोंट राइट जिग जैग. हम आपको जिग जैग इसलिए करवाते हैं सो इट विल बी कंफर्टेबल फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड. क्लियर कि कौन किससे मैच कर रहा है. बट नोटबुक में जब आप लिखेंगे बच्चा, यू हैव टू राइट द करेक्ट आंसर इन जस्ट फ्रंट ऑफ इट. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन, अ प्लेन मिरर. देखो सारे ऑप्शंस आपको पढ़ने हैं. क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? Used as a magnifying glass, can form image of objects spread over a large area. Used by dentists to see enlarged image of teeth. No. The image is always inverted and magnified. No. The image is erect of the same size of the object. Yes, it is resembling this. चलो लास्ट वाला भी पढ़ते हैं. The image is erect and smaller in size than the object. So which one is the perfect match? It is the fifth one. So match it with fifth. Clear everybody? Okay, next. Convex mirror. अब सारे ऑप्शंस हमने एक बार रीड कर लिए हैं, so it will be easy for you to match them. Firstly, convex mirror. अब कॉन्वेक्स मिरर हम किससे मैच कर सकते हैं बच्चा? इज इट वी आर यूजिंग इट, एंड प्लीज डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज बिटवीन द मिरर एंड लेंस. Read them carefully. Used as a magnifying glass? Not exactly. Can form image of object spread over a large area? Yes. It is like this. Clear everybody? So you have to match B with second one. Clear everybody? Read the next one. A convex lens. अब convex lens को you can use as a magnifying glass. Clear everybody? A convex mirror. अब convex mirror को हम use करते हैं. We are using. It is used by the dentist. Clear everybody? To see the enlarged image of teeth. The next one, a concave lens. A concave lens always gives you that the erect image and which is smaller than the size of the object. So all the match of following are clear to everybody? Fine. So students, move to the next question, and next question is question number 4. State the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror. Okay. So the answer is, the image formed by a plane mirror is erect, laterally inverted, and of the same size as that of object. The left side of object appears on the right side of the image. Clear everybody? Also, the distance of the image from the plane mirror is same as the distance between the plane mirror and the object. And we already had understand this in our videos. Clear everybody? Move to the next question class, and next question is question number 5. Find out the letters of English alphabet or any other language known to you in which the image formed in a plane mirror appears exactly like the letter itself. Discuss your findings. बहुत easy है, हमारे पास हमारे अल्फ़ाबेट्स में बहुत सारे ऐसे अल्फ़ाबेट्स हैं. If the letters of English alphabet A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y are kept in front of the plane mirror, then they would form images which exactly look like the original letters of alphabet. Clear everybody? These letters are vertically symmetric. Clear class 7th? For example, if we divide letter A and U, have a look here. हमने इसको divide किया. Okay, in the middle. Then we would find that the right halves are equivalent to the left halves of the letter. Exactly same है. Clear? Hence, even if images are interchanges, sidewise, it will appear same as the letter. Clear everybody? समझ में आ गया? It's easy one. और जब हम इन चीज़ों को practically करते हैं तो हमें ज़्यादा समझ में आता है. Move to the next question class, and next question is, what is a virtual image? Give one situation where a virtual image is formed. देखो, what is virtual image जो हमें स्क्रीन पे नहीं मिलती है. First, when an image cannot be obtained on screen, it is called virtual image. ये तो हमारे फर्स्ट का आंसर हो गया. सेकेंड, आपको कोई भी एक ऐसी सिचुएशन देनी है. सो स्टूडेंट, द इमेज फॉर्म्ड बाय प्लेन मिरर इज वर्चुअल बिकॉज द इमेज cannot be obtained on screen when placed either in front of the mirror or behind it. Clear everybody? Move to the next question class, and next question is, state differences between a convex and a concave lens. सिंपल सा है. अब डिफरेंस है, then again you have to make a table. First is convex lens and second is concave lens. अब देखो, सबसे पहले तो स्ट्रक्चर डिफरेंस. जो हमारा कॉन्वेक्स लेंस है, इट इज थिक इन द मिडल एंड थिन एट द edges, and here concave lens is thin in the middle and thick at the edges. Clear everybody? Here image formed is real or virtual. Second, this one first, okay, and here image formed is virtual. अब सबसे important क्या है बच्चा? A convex lens converges, that means it bends inwards the light generally falling on it. Okay, this is the light rays, these are falling on here and it is bent inwards. Clear everybody? And here concave lens diverges, yani bends outward the light, and that's why it is known as diverging lens. Clear everybody? In this way you have to write down the differences. Move to the next question class, and next question is give one use of a concave or a convex mirror. Okay, so write down. Concave mirror can form enlarged image of the object, therefore they are used by the dentist to see the enlarged image of the patient's teeth. अभी match the following में किया अपन ने. Okay, अब कॉन्वेक्स मिरर का क्या काम होता है? कॉन्वेक्स मिरर फॉर्म diminished and upright images of the object. It is used as a side view mirror of the car because it enables the driver to view objects spread over a large area behind him or her. Clear everybody? Move to the next question class, and next question is which type of mirror can form a real image? वापस से मिरर पूछा है. Okay, so the answer is a concave mirror can form real image of an object. The nature of image depends on the distance of object from the concave mirror. Okay class, move to the next question. Which type of lens forms always a virtual image? Very easy. It is the concave lens always form a virtual image of an object. Clear? Move to the next question class. Next question is a virtual image larger than the object can be produced by concave lens, concave mirror, convex mirror, plane mirror. So what should be the answer class? किन के थ्रू आप एक वर्चुअल इमेज लार्जर देन द ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं? सो द आंसर इज कॉन्केव मिरर. Clear everybody? Move to the next question class. Next question. David is observing his image in a plane mirror. Okay, the distance between the mirror and his image is 4 meter. Okay, if he moves 1 meter towards the mirror, okay, then the distance between the David and his image will be, it's very easy. चलो इसको हम एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. देखो इसका आंसर तो क्या होगा, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज वो आपको पता चल जाएगा. देखो आंसर इज योर 6 मीटर. हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल बच्चा? देखो इन केस ऑफ प्लेन मिरर जब हम बात करते हैं, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड द मिरर हियर इज D1. ये आपका मिरर है और ये आपका डिस्टेंस है डेविड और मिरर के बीच में. ठीक है, इज सेम एज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द मिरर एंड द इमेज formed, that is it is D2. Clear everybody? इसका मतलब ये वाला डिस्टेंस और ये वाला डिस्टेंस सेम है. Okay, so students, the distance between the mirror and the David image is D2, that is 4 meter. So D1 is equals to D2 and it is 4 meter. अब क्या है, डेविड कितना मूव किया? 1 मीटर टूवर्ड्स द मिरर. समझ में आ गया? अब टूवर्ड्स मिरर अगर वो मूव कर रहा है, दैट मीन इट विल बी सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम 4. ओके, सो D1 इज इक्वल्स टू 4 minus 1, दैट इज 3 meter. And we know that D1 is equals to D2, that is 3 meter. Okay, so therefore the distance between the David and his image. Look here, ये डेविड का मिरर से इमेज डिस्टेंस, ये मिरर से डेविड की इमेज का डिस्टेंस, तो ये डिस्टेंस और ये डिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगा, ऐड हो जाएगा. क्लियर. सो the distance between the image and the David is d1 plus d2, that is 3 plus 3, and answer is answer number third, that is 6 meter. Clear everybody? Move to the next question class. Next question is the rear view mirror of a car is a plane mirror. ठीक है. A driver is reversing his car at a speed of 2 meter per second. The driver sees in his rear view mirror the image of a truck that is parked behind his car. The speed at which the image of truck appears to approach the driver will be. Again, it is very easy. आपको याद क्या रखना है कि जो वो ड्राइवर है जो गाड़ी को रिवर्स कर रहा है, it is reversing the car at the speed of 2 meter per second. So what will be the answer here? 1 meter per second, 2 meter per second, 4 meter per second और 8 meter per second. चलो इसको भी मैं सॉल्व करवा देती हूँ. देखो बच्चा, the speed of car is 2 meter per second, which means the car is approaching the truck with a speed of 2 meter per second. The distance between the car and the truck will decrease at double rate. समझ में आ गया? This is because the image of truck will travel distance twice the distance traveled by the car in equal time. Hence, the image of truck will be appear to approach the driver with the speed of 4 meter per second, that is 2 multiplied by 2. Clear? So what will be the answer? Answer is third, 4 meter per second. Clear everybody? Okay. So student, with this question, this chapter ends here. Write down all the question answers in your textbook and learn them. Very soon again we will meet in the next video of the next chapter. Till then, take care everybody and thank you.